Hey babes, welcome back. So let's just jump right into this. So today I will be installing this T-part wig from Amazon. Y'all, this is my first T-part wig that I styled, so I did this joint dirty if I do say so myself. She looking real smooth. She looking real clean. But no, this was a really dope wig. Like, even for it to be blue, I was like mad surprised. I was like, I don't know how this blue is gonna work, but it came out cute. She cute or whatever. Okay, so before y'all start, I did try to bleach and plug. Bleach, don't even waste your time. I wasted 30 minutes of my life. I'm not gonna get back. And don't even worry about plucking this for real, because you're such limited to the ways you can pluck. So don't even worry about plucking this. The only thing I plucked was really that center area. That's about it. But now I'm just gonna take my, y'all already know. Why I gotta keep repeating it? Ruby Kisses and the color 10, and I'm just going to apply that to the inside of the cap. And I started to just only do it on the inside, but I didn't like how it was against my skin. So right here you can see I'm just applying that on the outer edges as well, and it came out totally better when I did it this way. So y'all already know when I learn something, I'm gonna give it to y'all. That's just how I am. One thing I will say about this wig is because it's a T-part wig, you really don't have to do much. It made installing this wig like 10 times quicker. So I suggest this for all my beginners. Get a T-part wig because you really don't got to do much. And for a beginner, you don't need to do all that. So I would start out with a T-part wig. But right here, I'm just cutting slits in the lace because I've noticed when it comes to those ear-to-ear lace, I think it's like a 13x6, whatever. Frontals, I'm stupid. I like to work in sections. If you can do it all in one, go ahead, do you, boo. But some people like moi. We need to work in sections because I don't know, we just don't be getting it right. So now I'm just going in with my Eben spray black can. If you don't know about this, pause this, go run to your local beauty supply store and grab a can. If you do, shout out to you. You already know what's up. But I'm just going to take that and spray that along my edges, and then I'm going to take my blow dryer and just melt that in with the comb, but always keep my settings on cool. So once I apply my lace spray, I'm just going to take my headbands, tie that around, melt, and then I'm just going to begin to style the wig, add some curls to it, make it look girly. Because right here, I was scared. I didn't know what to do right here. You see that little smirk? I was scared. I didn't know what hairstyle to do, but I figured it out. Y'all already know, take y'all wax stick, get around the top of that head and flatten it down with your straightening comb. I got it right, y'all. Straightening comb. Finally, get it down with your straightening comb and just make it a little bit flatter. This you can't really pluck a lot, so it may be a little bit more thicker, so that's why I suggest you just flatten it as much as you could. So honestly, I was going for like a beach wave type of curls, but these curls came out so much better, so I wasn't tripping. So I just took my curling wand and just wrapped that hair around the curling wand, but do it the opposite way, not do it backwards, not forward, if that makes sense. Curl the hair backwards. I just started doing it, and I love how the curls come out. Curls come out super duper pretty and super duper bouncy. Yeah, look at that shine and that bounce. Don't sleep on Zani. Don't you sleep on Zani, okay? You can get you some nice stuff from the Zan. But yeah, just continue to curl that hair away from your face. That's what I meant to say earlier. Make sure you're curling it away from your face, and then let that sit for a minute. Catch it in your hand. Let it sit in your hand for a little minute, and then you want to go ahead and release that curl. It's going to come out so pretty. So after I'm styling my hair, I'm just going to release that headband and then start cutting off that lace into little sections. I take like a little eyebrow razor that I got from the hair store, and because that gives me really what I want, because it gets really close to the lace. And I just take that and I just like drag it along the lace, pulling the lace but dragging that knife along at the same time. And for extra melt purposes, you can go ahead and take that spray that you used earlier and just spray that along your hairline, just so it can blend a little bit better as well. I didn't want my hairline to be too thick. I didn't want it to look fake. Like, we all know it's fake, but it ain't gotta look fake. You feel what I'm saying? So I just took some tweezers and I just plucked that area and plucked it all the way to the bottom. This is my first time plucking all the way at the bottom like that, and I love that I did it. It came out more natural looking. And then I'm just going to take my concealer from earlier, angle brush, and start making that line more defined. Alright, y'all, and this is the final look. I know I was really skeptical about this wig at first because it was blue, and I was like, blue? But I've never done blue hair, so this is my first time, and I love the way it came out. And it was from Amazon. I ain't gotta pay y'all girlies no more. I can go to Amazon. What you talking about? Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.